suspicious transaction. How can you say it's not suspicious? Nahuli mo na. Tapos next day, nagkuhan na siya. Nag-disclose na siya. And kept disclosing to the hundreds of millions. Ano ba tawag yun dyan? Napakatanga naman natin kung di ba natin.
Can we say may kumita na naman?
Definitely.
May cash receipt.
Ito ko, maglalabas ba ng pera yan kung walang bantay sa labas? Ganyan kalaki amount.
Sir, some residents...
Maglalakas ba ng loob yan, napapasok ka dyan, may dala kang pera na meron kang sinasandalan ba din?
So kung hindi nag-appear yung Rodriguez Fund, what if they don't appear?
We will have them arrested.
So, sir, confirm ba na may nag-escort na police and military?
I don't have to know. No, I think with that kind of money, people are killed for less, a lot less of money.
So, assumption lang yun na possible na
Yeah, I think they are.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.